Alright, today I'm doing an updated review of this chair that I use for camping, use around the fire. Something that I get a whole lot of use out of, is extremely comfortable to sit in. I do like how it rocks. I'll show you that here in a second. I do have a bag for it. For the life of me, I could not find it, but still easy to transport. But if you have the bag, you can transport it by, there's a strap that's on the bag that you can hold on to, just don't lose it like I did. But to set it up, you can just come out with the legs, the handles, just like that, and now you are all set up. It does have the mesh back here, which is nice, and then like I said, the springs in the back, so that's how you're able to rock. Right now the front is actually up off of the ground, the back is on the ground there, so you're able to sit down and then rock back and forth if you would like to. I have a habit of, when I'm sitting in a chair, to kind of lean back, so this helps me to kind of do that, and be safe about it too. But nice to have around a campfire, nice to have on your deck if you'd like to, but definitely something to have with you. And I would say, back problems, so this is a nice chair. From sitting in a lawn chair for quite some time, this is a nice chair to have to make sure to keep my back supported. With the back here, it's definitely a very solid back support for my back, so definitely recommend it. But you can be going back and forth just like this, rocking back and forth, which is nice, which is actually what I like to do in a chair anyway, and this way it's just safer for me. Now, when I first got the chair, I did not know how to put it away. I kept trying to pull it just like this. I'm like, I don't know how this goes away. So the easy way to do it is you're going to grab it here from the top in the middle, from the bottom here in the middle, and then you're just going to pull them together. And now it goes up together just like that. There we go. And now you're good to go. So what I do right now is I just carry it just like this. Obviously, if you had the bag, it'd be a lot easier. But definitely do like this chair. One thing I did forget to mention, it does have a cup holder here, so you can put your drinks in there if you would like. But definitely a quality product, something that I would recommend to anybody looking for a nice camping chair during the summer, or just having a chair out on their deck. So definitely recommend this product to anybody looking for a chair.